If you're looking for something in a really quiet location and offering a load of space with shops just on the doorstep, then look no further. This 2-bedroom masonette just behind me that I'm going to show you today is in lovely condition and has so much to offer. But before I go and take you inside, I'm going to show you what's literally just around the corner. And as you can see, you've got shops literally just minutes away from the front door of the home, which is perfect for any of those last-minute essentials. But that's enough about here. Let's go and find Georgina to go and have a look at some other local hotspots.
Thanks, Mike. Within just a short walk of the property, you've got the Riverside George Pub and Restaurant, which is hugely popular with locals. You've also got the Showcase Cinema just over here. Also, just a short walk away is Dinton Pastures, where you've got the lake to explore and also the new coffee shop. But now let's head back to Mike, who's going to show you around the house. And just what a lovely property. As you can see, it's got bags of space and it's in a super location. I'm Mike from Avocado Property, and if you like what you've seen today or you want any further information, give me a call or drop me a message. I can't wait to show you around for an exclusive viewing.